How much better is a $200 steak versus a $1.40-51 at a restaurant? As Peter noted, paying $200 for a steak, for one person, would be ridiculous. The best steak in New York and by many accounts, including mine, in the world can be found at Peter Luger Steakhouse in Williamsburg, Brooklyn, and the most you will pay for a steak for one there, as of today, is $55. That said, if the question means to ask is there really a difference between a $50 steak at Peter Luger's and a $10 steak at a local diner? And my God, the answer is yes. A world-class, prime-grade steak, hand-picked, aged to perfection, cooked exactly right, rare, and served hot and sizzling, is like nothing else on earth. In fact, just writing this answer is giving me a serious Jones for a trip to Williamsburg, or, failing that, the Palm, which is a lot closer to me. I've eaten in some of what are regarded as the best steak restaurants in New York. I have never seen a steak for one person priced at anything like $200. And no one goes to Peter Luger for the atmosphere. They get better meat. It is hard to get prime meat in the USA, partly because the demand isn't there. However, you can buy it from Peter Luger. They age the meat. They cook it at a high temperature. And it costs about $50 per person.